How to change mouse pointer size and color on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on mouse and trackpad. After click on mouse and trackpad, scroll down and click on pointer size and color. If you want to change mouse pointer size and color, so if you want to change size, so you will change mouse size from here. After change size, if you want to change color, so you will change mouse color from here. After change color, you will see mouse size and color is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change mouse pointer size and color on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.